Hi guys, this is part 2 because it was so much I had to do with the putting everything in my bag. But I don't know if you guys can see, but look over here. It's windy, so if you guys cannot barely hear me, I am sorry because it's like windy out here, and I have to open the door. I'll open the door. So this is part 2 because I couldn't put everything in my bag with one hand. I mean, it's impossible, and I might have to whisper because this is an echoey hallway besides upstairs. So inside my apartment. We made it inside, safe and sound, and now we gotta watch the news. Because I hope you didn't drop none of my Pokemon outside.
No, I didn't.
Because it was in my school pocket. Just to let you know. Alright. I don't know if you guys are like famous out there with watching the news or anything, but I am. I gotta put on the news so that I think it will probably will be. Gotta look on the calendar. Because someone asked me, was I going to do a gaming video? Me, one of my friends at school. Okay, so today is the 14th. I'm probably going to do a gaming video the first day of fall, which is the 22nd of this month on a Thursday. The reason why I picked Thursday, because Thursday and Friday. So the gaming video will be about Pokemon. If you guys are a fan of Pokemon, give this video a thumbs up. Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh, Yokai. If you guys don't know what that is, it's a boy who does like, he takes his little yokai thing, flip it up, and then put it on his watch. After this video, go look it up on the internet, so you guys will know what I'm talking about. But that's mostly it. I'm probably going to go back outside after this. If I do, I'll make a video. So it will probably be Pokemon, Roblox, Yu-Gi-Oh, you know, mostly fun game stuff. I even have my favorite gaming shit, Minecraft. Probably gonna do Minecraft because if I download it on the computer, then it will take up most of my space. So,
Oh man,
what?
I broke it.
How? Oh, show the internet. Yo, my dad just broke this.
I gotta go get one now.
From Walmart right now?
Yeah.
Well, guys, looks like this video is not over. Where do you want me to put this? Looks like this video is not over yet. We're going to Walmart.
Yeah.
Right now. So I'll just continue this video. So you were the one who broke it. So this will be a road trip. I gotta put my watch on. Oh, sorry. I have to rotate my wrist. But we gotta go to Walmart to get a brand new. If you guys don't know what it is, I'll show you a little. So it's this thing. You have to lift up the top and then under it. But Looks like it's a road trip.
Yep, short road trip.
Yep, it's a short road. Mostly it's a long. Well, yeah, it's not gonna be. It's gonna be a long road trip because they said exit something to 82.